Nairobi, the capital of Kenya, is a busy city of almost 2 million people. It is multi-ethnic. Communities of all the 45 ethnic groups found in Kenya live in Nairobi. There is diverse religious life with thousands of churches, most based on Christianity. There are also Kikuyu-based theists who are renewing and revitalizing traditional religion and culture. There are 3 theist groups in Kenya: Tent of the Living God, Kenda Moyuru, and Mungiki. These 3 groups are united by a common belief that tradition holds the key to Thai, an old Kikuyu word meaning peace.
Everybody wants to know what is their agenda, what are their objectives.
It has to be scrutinized well, the intention, the goal, and the purpose, because you cannot just pretend to say everybody will be given a freedom to worship.
I don't see any good which is coming out of them.
Many people think it's very cultish.
People are even saying they are eating people. They are cannibals. They eat people. They kill they eat human flesh.
Sawa.
So many problems we are seeing today. Even we see in a family, people are never together. For instance, we as Thaists have a very nice verse that we read from the Bible. And that is Matthew chapter 10, from verses 34. We are being told that Jesus Christ did not to bring peace on earth. He came to bring a sword. He came to separate a mother and a son, a mother and a daughter, a father and a son, a people with his own people. You see, why? It's very important if all people should go back to their traditions, if all people should go back to their customs. I don't think we would have many problems with the people. People would be one. People would correlate together. People would understand each other. You see, you should not have neglected our traditions and beliefs. I don't fight education. I don't fight development. I don't fight advancement. But what I'm fighting for, we should maintain our culture.
The busy Kariakor roundabout is a meeting place for Thais, particularly followers of Tent of the Living God.
With our central continent, Africa.
Now we are bringing them, reviving, because what we are doing is we are reviving and revamping and vigorating our cultures. Is to awaken people from spiritual slumber. People are here and you can see them, but spiritually they are all slaves, confused, you see. And this is a result of being uprooted from their cultures and their traditions. And they are being promised something that has no life. And we want our people to come down all the way to nature, and they stand well.
Snapping, we do snap so that we can know the problems of our own people. We do snap because of the troubles that we are suffering from. It gives you remembrance. You remember, like what did the children of Israel when they were being taken from slavery.
As far as the Kikuyus are concerned, all I can say is that they can make a choice. They can make a choice to be slaves in their own country, or they can make a choice to make themselves strong, to empower themselves, to reclaim the positive aspects. I want to repeat that, the positive aspects of their culture, and not to be apologetic about the positive aspects of their culture, because that's what will make them strong. That's what will help them to liberate themselves, both politically and economically.
Muraithi mwega cothiriria bururi umurungu ndaucothiriria bururi wage kona mombi Jehova mutura muoyo thie na mbere kumaruta thiini wa ukombo na kumaruta thiini wa meciria mao macio moru.
If you look at the composition of the Mungiki, the socio, economic, marginalized, I think this was one, a cry for identity, a group of youths coming together with certain background that is
Celebration means the universal means the whole world. Now this is a celebration for the whole world.
You are
Following a baptism by water and fire, 8 Mungiki members were shot in a clash between sect members and the police. The Mungiki continues to defy official censure and harassment.
They just came rushing,
Yeah.
rushing,
Start shooting.
and they started shooting in the air. So we had nothing to do. We had to defend ourselves, and defending was to face them.
They started beating us. They even shot in the air, and some of our members feared, and they started running away. Now that is where they started shooting at them, injuring even some of them.
These people, normally they fear us. They do fear Mungiki very much. I don't know why.
You don't have any...
There has been so many speculation and guessing about these people. They have been saying that we are undermining the government.